Remove the speaker. Remove the screw cap. Loosen 3 screws. Use a plastic pry bar to pry open the lower right corner. Break the door panel by hand. Unplug all the plugs connected to the door panel. Pry the latch. Lock the car. Take off the rubber plug. Remove the 2 screws fixing the glass. Remove the glass strip. Take the glass directly. Unplug the harness. Remove all the screws around. Remove the interior panel. Remove the rubber plug. Pull out the handle sensor plug. Loosen 3 screws. Take out the handle. Loosen 2 screws. Use a plastic pry bar to pry open the gap in the door panel. Break the door panel with your hands. Unplug all the harness plugs connected to the door panel. Sisters! Tighten it. Pry open the glass rubber strip clips. Take out the rubber strip. Remove the rubber plug. Pull the latch. Lock the car. The glass rises to the highest point. Loosen the 2 screws fixing the glass and remove the glass directly. Unfasten the harness. Loosen all the screws around. Remove the interior panel. Remove the rubber plug. Pull out the handle sensor plug. Loosen the 3 screws that fix the handle. Take out the original handle. The original handle removed from the car. Now we are going to assemble the fluidic handle. First, the accessories we need are a fluidic handle. This is the key fixed bracket, and the screw is used to fix the key button bracket, a cross screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and this is the electric mechanism. Okay, now let's assemble it. First, we use this to push the shaft out, then take the shaft off. And put it aside, then we turn it over. Use a flathead screwdriver to push in these 4 clips. This is a decoration. We need to remove this decorative part. Push these 4 clips inward, then take out this decorative line. Okay, put it aside for later use. Then remove the handle. Okay, let's start assembling the streamer handle. This one should be put back. Put this handle aside and pick up our flowing light handle. Install the spring according to the angle and direction you removed it. The curved part should face inward, and the ring. Then click it back in this place. Pay attention to this place. Then from here, put this. Pass the plug through this hole. Pay attention here. There is a slot. It should be aligned with the spring's slot. Okay, when this position is snapped in, align it with the slot inside. Yes, press it down. Then put the shaft back in. There is a notch here. And put it back into the slot. Align it with the through hole inside. Press the shaft back. Then push it hard to the bottom. Push it back to this position. Then we test the elasticity. The elasticity is normal, and it returns automatically. Let's put the decorative part back. Fix it back. Then we will install the motor mechanism on this side. First, take this handle, which has a sensor on it. We loosen this side, the plug on the right side. Remove this screw. Put it aside. This is the motor mechanism. Our assembly. The installation details are here. There is a slot here, and insert it into the slot here first. Okay, let's put the plug aside. Now align it with this slot. Insert it into this slot. Then press this place down. And hang it up. So it's assembled tightly. Then we insert this. Plug into this place. Okay, the assembly on this side is completed. Then we install the button. Remove the original button. Take this out and don't use it. Install our multi-contact button. Our wires. Sort it out. Put this place. This groove. Put the wire into this slot. This line comes in here. Then we install this button. After installation, it will look like this. Then press the button groove into this bone position. And press it in slightly. Then clip it over. After clamping it, there's also a mounting bracket. Mounting brackets are divided into left and right. Our current sample is based on the left handle, and there are L-shaped brackets. The left side of the L-shaped bracket is inserted into the second buckle from here. Push it in. The hole will align with the hole. Then lock the screw. Use a cross screwdriver. Tighten the screw and tidy up the dashboard. This is the complete installation of the handle. There is still a screw here. Remember to put it back. This is the original position of the sensor. Lock it again. Check it like this and the installation is complete. Then we can turn around and see. Try this button again. It's normal to open and close. Install the electric handle on the door. Make sure the gap around the handle is the same. Fix it with the original screw. Plug in the sensor plug. Pull out the original lock socket. Use our three-way harness to plug in. Use zip ties to fix the scattered wires to the original vehicle's wiring harness. Cut it off. Cut off the excess part of the zip tie. Pry open the side trim panel of the passenger seat. Remove the clips. Remove the sill trim. Remove the dashboard. They're all clips. Connect the positive pole to the screw post. Run the power cord to the passenger side of the car. Through the rubber tube gap at the front of the car. Through the gap to the passenger seat. Connect the negative pole to the screw post on the 8 pillar. Plug the power cord into the control box. Hide the control box under the footwell trim panel. Remove the passenger side trim panel. Remove the clips. Remove the sill trim. Remove the dashboard. They're all clips. Connect the negative pole to this screw post. Connect the positive pole to this screw post. Run the wire bundle to the left. Use threading tool to pass through the rubber plug and pass through the gap to the passenger seat. Plug the control box in. Plug the power cord into the control box. Hide the control box under the footwell trim panel.